The next point now we will see, that is the electrical properties. Electrical properties of solid. डिफेक्टचा मोठा पॉइंट होता डिटेलमध्ये, आपण सगळे डिफेक्टचे प्रकार पाहिले. डिफेक्ट इज ओव्हर नाउ. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी आर डिस्कसिंग, दॅट इज द इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. So the solid show the wide range of electrical property. Solid shows wide range of electrical properties. Wide range दाखवतात. Wide range कशी? That is, they are classified into conductors. They are classified into conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. And what? Semiconductors. They are classified into, electrical properties are classified into, these are the electrical properties. Electrical properties are classified into what? Conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Conductors, insulators, and what? Semiconductors. तर आपण वन बाय वन पाहू. पहिलं कंडक्टर्स म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट आर कंडक्टर्स? What are the conductors? Conductors, good conductor, bad conductor जसं म्हणतो आपण. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दॅट इज द सुवाहक, दुर्वाहक, है ना. तर करंटचे जे सुवाहक असतात, दे आर द गुड कंडक्टर्स. मीन्स व्हॉट? मीन्स दे शो द इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिव्हिटी इन द रेंज ऑफ, मीन्स दे शो द electrical conductivity in the range of, यांची रेंज असते आता, in the range of 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7 ohm inverse. The unit is ohm inverse meter inverse. This is the unit of conductivity. It is the conductivity unit. So conductors are they show the electrical conductivity in the range of, यांची रेंज किती असते? 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7 ohm inverse. ओहम एवढी काय असते यांची कंडक्टरची रेंज असते. The examples are, for example, you know the metals. Metals are the conductors. We are discussing one by one conductors, insulators, and semiconductor. In that, the first one, that is the conductors. Conductor चालू आहे आता. They show the electrical conductivity in the range of 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7 ohm inverse meter inverse. For example, metals, electrolytes, and electrolytes हे काय आहे? एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत कोणाचे? कंडक्टर्स. सेकंड पॉइंट वी विल सी द इन्सुलेटर्स. आता आपण पाहू इन्सुलेटर्स काय असतात. व्हॉट आर द इन्सुलेटर्स? Now insulators also, they show the electrical conductivity. They show the electrical conductivity. They show the electrical conductivity in the range. Electrical conductivity in the range of, now insulators means they are not good conductors. Current will not flow. That is 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 10. Same unit, that is ohm inverse meter inverse. इन्सुलेटरची कंडक्टिव्हिटी काय असते? कमी असते. इन्सुलेटर मधून करंट वाहत नाही. कंडक्टर्स मधून काय होतो? करंट फ्लो होतो. From the conductors, current can flow. Insulators, for examples, you know that the insulators are the which are insulators? Non-metals. जे कोणते नॉन मेटल असेल, these are the metals. Okay, conductors are the metals. Now insulators are the non-metals or molecular solid. मागे पाहिलं होतं आपण molecular solid काय असतं. Molecular solid, non-metal, these are the examples of insulators. Conductors, what are conductors? Have the range 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7. Insulators having the range 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, this is conductor, insulator. The third type now, semiconductor. That is the semiconductors. What is the semiconductors now? Similar to these 2 points, आताच पाहिले आपण हे 2 पॉइंट. ज्या प्रकारे हे इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिव्हिटीची रेंज यांची किती असते 10 to the power of 4, यांची किती असते 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 10. Now again same, semiconductors, they shows the electrical conductivity. They shows the electrical conductivity in the range of, यांची रेंज असते semiconductors. Now these are, that's why this range is now 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 6 to 10 to the power of 4. Ohm inverse, meter inverse. Ohm inverse काय असतो युनिट, मीटर इनवर्स. हे कोणाचे असते semiconductors. So these are 1, 2 and 3 types. Third type now this is. Electrical properties चालू आहे इथे. These are properties कोणते म्हणतो आपण, electrical properties. Now the examples of semiconductors. What are the examples of semiconductors? Semiconductors are the all metalloids. Metalloid. ज्या प्रकारे याच्यात काय होते मेटल्स, याच्यात काय होते नॉन मेटल्स. मेटल्स, नॉन मेटल्स. एक्झाम्पल्स मेटल्स, नॉन मेटल्स. सेमीकंडक्टरचे एक्झाम्पल कोणते आहेत, मेटलॉइड्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम. Silicon, germanium, these are the good examples of कोणाचे आहेत, semiconductors. Now all these are the 3 properties. What are those? Conductors, insulators, and what? This is the semiconductors. What is the range of conductors? 10 to the power of 4. What is the range of insulator? 10 to the power of minus 20. Now this range of semiconductors are 10 to the power of minus 6 to 10 to the power of 4. Ohm inverse, meter inverse. Ohm inverse, याला काय वाचायचं, ohm inverse, meter inverse. It is called as inverse. Inverse. काय म्हणायला, inverse. Minus 1 means inverse. So on the basis of their range, यांच्या रेंजच्या आधारावर यांचे 3 प्रकार पडले, कंडक्टर, इन्सुलेटर आणि तिसरा कोणता आहे, सेमीकंडक्टर. On the basis of their what? Range. On the basis of their range, there are the 3 types of electrical properties of solid. What are those? Conductors. The first one is conductor, insulator. Second one we have seen insulator. Third one, that is semiconductor. This is the semiconductor. So these are classified into, electrical properties are classified into what? 3 types. They are classified into 3 types: conductors, insulators, and what? Semiconductors. The first property now, conductors, they show the electrical conductivity in the range. यांची रेंज किती असते, 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7. Conductors 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 7. Ohm inverse, meter inverse. Insulators. Insulator have the range 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay. The last one, semiconductor. What are the range of semiconductor? 10 to the power of minus 6 to 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of minus 6 to how much? 10 to the power of 4. Ohm inverse, meter inverse. So all these are nothing but the electrical properties of solids. Solids shows the wide range of electrical properties. They are classified into conductors, insulators, and third one, that is the semiconductor. The examples of conductors are the metals and electrolytes. Electrolytes through which the current flow, conductivity, that's why they are called as electrolytes. Insulators, insulator examples are non-metals, molecular solid. Non-metal आणि molecular solid हे कोणाचे प्रकार आहेत, हे इन्सुलेटरचे प्रकार आहेत. सेमीकंडक्टर, सेमीकंडक्टरचे कोणते टाइप आहेत? सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, these are the examples of semiconductor. The range is important, 1, 2 and these 3. This range is important, very important. From this they can be classified into 3 types: conductors, insulators, and third one, that is what? Semiconductors. So all these are the electrical property. This point is going on now. Defect point is over. This point, that is electrical properties, how the electrical current conduct, they are conduct or they do not conduct. This is about the electrical properties. Okay.